hang in a cliffhanger, and jump like on bungee jumping or flying fox. From one side of a hill to the other side of the hill, from hill to cliff, from cliff to valley, and I really want to take Spanish test once in a lifetime, because Spanish is I'm still learning Spanish now, but I hopefully I have the chance to take Spanish test, like equivalent to TOEFL, like Spanish equivalents of TOEFL in English. And then once in a lifetime, really want to go to Hajj pilgrimage, Hajj to Mecca and Medina once in a lifetime, and Umrah as well, because in Muslim, as a Muslim, it is our obligation to I think maybe a lot of people still have misunderstandings about going to Mecca is obligation. It depends on their condition. It's either their wealth and also their wealth and health. They're healthy and wealthy. They have the enough condition to support their pilgrimage to going to Hajj to Mecca. They are obliged. They're obligated to do that. But if they are don't have enough money, they will have the rewards by doing like praying duha. Praying duha is I ever heard that it's the reward is the same as Umrah, but the main thing is we need to have the intention in our heart to do that once in our lifetime. I think that's all for me.
Alright, any question? Alright, I got. Alright, you first. You got a question?
What is the most dangerous thing you have ever did before, or you have ever do? The most dangerous thing.
I can't quite remember what things that I have done challenging or threatening. I'm not the kind of person who like to do something like fear factor.
Maybe have you ever jumped from the bridge to the river?
Oh, never. No. Any other question?
Alright, I got a question for you, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa. Why do you want to learn Spanish?
Because Spanish is easier than English, I think. Easier than English because many people say Spanyol as muy fácil. It's really easy compared to English. And also Spanish the pronunciation is not so hard as English. Like a lot of Indonesian tongues can easily imitate Spanish pronunciation.
Una preguntar. ¿Cuántas idiomas tú puedes hablar ahora?
Entiendo.
Inglés. Muy bien.
Español.
Inglés muy bien.
Español.
Sí. Árabe.
Arabic moderately.
Spanish. Un poquito.
Un poquito.
Mashallah. Alright.
Beginner.
Any question?
Please, just speak.
Choose someone else, right?
Yeah, alright. Thank you, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa.
You're welcome.